Hello YouTube, Mini Tom here. If you can't tell, that's me. Oh, no, wait, no, it's not. Mimi? What's that? I think this one's going to be better. Hang on. Mini Tom. There we go. If that's backwards, sorry. It does say Mini Tom. So the girlfriend got me them for Christmas. Waited for ages and ages for that to be made, and then Halford sent us a Mimi Tom one. Despite confirming it with her, spent Mimi Tom, but in fairness to him, because it went over Christmas and it wasn't actually a present for Christmas anymore, Halfords did sort us out with the correct spelling of Mini, and they gave us that one free of charge, and they gave us the other one as well free of charge. So that's what's on my toolbox. It's not what the girlfriend's nickname is for me. It's microscopic. It's just what I had when I was a bit younger with cars. I had a Mini then, so everyone called me Mini Tom. So I'm just out here now, just putting some parts in. I've had some door skins on top of wardrobe for ages, and yeah, it's a bit of an eyesore. So trying to squeeze them in this garage somewhere. I'm sure they'll fit in somewhere. I don't know. So I'm not doing any work on the car tonight. I've been on call, as I mentioned in my last video. I've had a few jobs, so I've not got out today. Plus I've been with kids as well when I've had a bit of spare time. It's been a nice day. So probably next weekend now I'll get another update for you. But the video tonight is going to be a slideshow with some pictures of the work I've done so far. So someone mentioned the floors. Did I make them myself? Yes, I did. I will show you that going in step by step because I took pictures of it all. Again, any pictures that I've taken from when I got the car, I'll stick on here. I'll try and put some music on it as well, so you're not all sat there looking at a screen with someone else's pictures and looking like idiots. I'll try and get some music on there, but I've not done that bit yet, so we'll see what the editing goes like. That's a question actually. If someone could let me know what it looks like on your phone or on your computer when you're looking at it, because I don't know if it's got, you know, the black lines at either side of my videos. It hasn't on my phone when I watch it, but I know when I tilt my phone on the side, it goes really thin. So if you could let me know what it's like when you're watching it. And as well, the guys that are doing YouTube, what software are you using to edit your videos? Now I'm using my iPhone to record these. If anyone else is using an iPhone as well, what are you using to edit the videos? You know, do the freeze frames and stuff. And if you could let me know, because I'm using, I think it's Splice at the minute. And it's alright, but to do the fast forwarding is a pain to do, and I'm getting lost where I am and stuff. So if any of you guys got any tips on that one, let us know. But yeah, apart from that, enjoy these pictures. See you next time. See you later, guys. Bye.